Gamma is an AI PowerPoint and content generator, which has many different features and use cases. Today, you're going to learn about themes and templates you can use to make your PowerPoints be standardized and easily customized for your team's use. So, if you come to your sidebar here and go to Library, you can find what's currently made in Gamma. So, I have two different elements here that are PowerPoints. I'm going to go up here to create a new theme, and I'm going to build the theme. There is an import file theme, but that's for users on a higher paid um, tier of the product. So we're going to start with just this build a theme here. Once you get in, you will find that there are here. So we're going to choose the color blue for this example. And we're going to do this blue theme here. And you're going to see a preview here, right? You can if you don't want to kind of curate one yourself, you can go to customize and you can change kind of your hex codes and things like that there as well. We're going to just use what they have for this example. So these are the colors, the background colors, so on and so forth. Now we're going to continue. We're going to choose our font. So for this example, I'm going to use one of our brand fonts, which is DM Sans. That's going to change the font there. So you see if I go enter, it shifts a little bit. I select DM Sans, it goes from there. You can also kind of select different options here. So if you want a fun font, you can pick from here. If you want a thinner font, you kind of go from there. But again, for this use case, we're going to use DM Sans. We're going to continue. Lots of options here, kind of the layout and the formatting and kind of I'm going to call it the pop effect you may want. I like sharp, so we're going to go with sharp. Standard's kind of just a standard generic PowerPoint. You have a glass feature, which is kind of cool. You can't see the difference here too much, but I don't see the big difference in it. And then you can do capsule. Kind of a cool look. I'm not sure that I like it, but we're going to stick with the sharp for today's demo. Continue. If you want to drag in your logo, you certainly can. So we're going to name it. So we're going to call this test theme A demo. And we're going to finish. So once you've done that, you will come back to your library here, and you can come into test theme A demo, click into it. Then you can change and kind of use your now kind of template design from here. So that's how you make a template or a theme, as I call it, in Gamma.